During the audit phase, we were able to realize that we could do upgrades in not only our elementary schools, but also our Board of Education office and our buildings and grounds and transportation offices as well. The new lighting in our offices and our elementary schools allowed for a brighter and safer working and learning environment. In addition to lighting and HVAC work, we were able to swap out aerators throughout our bathrooms to reduce our water usage and our natural gas usage for the hot water. The HVAC units we had replaced were between 15 and 20 years old and were going to be slated for replacement as a capital project for the district. By using CMC and the direct install program, we were able to have these units replaced at only 30% of the cost. The savings realized allowed us to free up funds for additional capital improvement projects. I would recommend the program to any facility looking to make energy efficient improvements.